In order to keep your pool water clean, safe, and ready to enjoy, you have to make sure that the water is properly balanced. Water chemistry is an important part of taking care of your pool, and proper water balance makes sure that everybody's comfortable when swimming. That's especially important for pH. Now, you may remember from science class that pH tells you how acidic or alkaline a solution is. Human tears have a pH of about 7.5. Lemon juice, which is very acidic, has a pH between 2 and 2.5. That's why your eyes sting when you get lemon juice in. The ideal range for pH for your pool water is between 7.4 and 7.6. Now, when your pH is out of balance, it can cause a lot of discomfort for the people swimming in your pool. Itchy skin and red, irritated eyes are the most common complaint. But it can also damage your pool. Low pH can cause vinyl liners to stretch and stains and etching on the plaster. High pH can cause cloudy water or scale formation. You'll also notice that when your pH is out of balance, your chlorine is not as effective, so you wind up using more chemicals. You can test your pH by using test strips or test kits that you can find in any Leslie store. Or you can bring in a sample of your water to one of our stores and have it tested for free. If your pH is low, you can add Leslie's soda ash to help raise it. If your pH is high, you can add Leslie's dry acid or muriatic acid, which is a liquid, to help lower the pH. Always read and follow label instructions when adding any chemicals to your pool. They contain important safety information as well as proper dosage and application instructions. Thanks for watching. Our goal at Leslie's is to make pool care easy. For more information, visit any of our stores or our website, lesliespool.com.